So in the previous video, we established the relationship between the height equal to theoretical plates in meter on the liquid velocity from the range 0.1 into 10 raised to the power negative 4 to 2 into 10 raised to the power negative 4. So we will get a plot like this. At the end of the video, we will see the plot. So the second part is what is the minimum HTTP and at what U is minimum HTTP is obtained. From the data which we did through an iterative process, we can see there is a decrease. So we'll go here and we'll reach a minimum. Say this could be the minimum HTTP, and then it will increase. So this is the minimum value. By visually we can see Sara comes near 0.4 into 10 raised to the power negative 4. So we will solve by analytical methods, right? So how do we get the minimum HTTP? So the equation that relates the liquid velocity and the HTTP is the Van Demeter equation given by H is equal to A by U plus BU plus C, where these are the constants, values of the constants A, B, C, and U is a variable. So we all know plotting this and this, say U will give a curve. The slope we can see, can draw a tangent to this curve at this point, and we can find the slope of the tangent to the curve is 0. So slope is nothing but the variation, that is the rate of change of h with respect to u. So it is nothing but dh over du. So dh over du would be 0 at some maximum or minimum points. So we assume there is a minimum here. So we can find the dh over du, and we have the condition, say at maximum or minimum the slope would be 0, right, which will yield the value of h max or min. In our case we see a plot like this, so it gives HTTP minimum. So let's differentiate this. So dh over du is equal to, A is a constant, we can take it out, and we have the d by du of 1 over u plus B is a constant, we can take it out, and d by du of u plus constant into d 1 over du, right? So dh by du is equal to A into 1 over u is u raised to the power negative 1, differentiation yields minus u to the power minus 2, so minus 1 by u square. Du by du is 1, and differentiation of 1 or the constant is nothing but 0. So we have this expression, that is dh by du is equal to minus A by u square plus B. To get h minimum, this should be equal to 0. Therefore minus A over u square plus B should be equal to 0. Let's take this term to the other side. Therefore B is equal to A over u square, right? Let's cross multiply the numerator and denominator. Therefore u square is equal to A by B. So the value of u is equal to root A by B, right? So we have the values A, B, C are constants given by this value. So A is equal to 2 into 10 raised to the power negative 9 meter square per second. B is equal to 1.5 second. So let's find the value of A by B. So the value of A by B is 2 into 10 raised to the power negative 9 by 1.5. So 1.33 into 10 raised to the power negative 9 meter square over second. So u is equal to root of a by b. So root of 1.33 into 10 raised to the power negative 9 meter square. Second gets cancelled, so it's nothing but meter square. Sorry, meter square. So we have s square, sorry, s by s square. So meter square by s square. So u is equal to root of this value, which is nothing but 3.65 into 10 raised to the power negative 5. Square root of meter square is meter. 1 over second square is s. So this is the value. So u is equal to 0.365 into 10 raised to the power negative 4 meter per second. So we get a value h minimum at u is equal to 0.365 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 meter per second. So previously, from graphical visualization and the variation of the data, we can clearly see we will get h minimum at 0.4 into 10 raised to the power negative 4. So and we got a value 0.365, which is near to 0.4. So this is the value where we get the h minimum. So what is the exact h minimum that we will obtain? So h minimum, substitute this value in this equation, so we will get h minimum. Therefore h will become h minimum at this u. So a is equal to meter square over second divided by 0.365 into 10 raised to the power negative 4 meter per second plus 1.5 seconds into 0.365 into 10 raised to the power negative 4 meter over second plus value of c 5.7 into 10 raised to the power negative 5 meter, right? Therefore the value of h minimum came around 1.665 into 10 raised to the power negative 4 meter. So what is the h minimum? H minimum is 1.665 into 10 raised to the power negative 4 meter. And what is the u? Where you get this h minimum? U is equal to 0.365 into 10 raised to the power 4 meter per second. So clearly we got h minimum 1.665, which is nothing but 1.67. Say 1.67 and u 0.365, which is 0.4. We found graphically and we verified using analytical method. So we solved part B and we will solve the part C and part D in the upcoming videos. Thank you.